Through tough fitness, we will push each other to honor the bodies we've been given, because we have only one body to honor. We will endure sweat, tears, and even a bit of blood. We will flip tires, sprint hills, and do push-ups until we can't do them any longer. Why do we do this? We certainly aren't flipping tires to be better tire flippers. We're doing it to be better, period. Better leaders, better parents, better, stronger, more determined humans capable of anything. We do it to honor our bodies and sharpen our minds to be more human. This is Reebok, a worldwide athletic company that strives to improve people's lives through positive change. They aim to inspire people and push them to the best that they can be. Reebok inspires their customers to make positive changes in their lives. Their logo expresses this idea. The delta symbolizes the positive change that fitness has on one's life. The 3 parts of the delta symbolize the 3 parts of change: physical, mental, and social. When Reebok customers wear the apparel, they embody these ideas. The company makes a variety of sporting clothing, but they're most famous for their shoes. The unique design of Reebok sneakers allow for people to push themselves to their limits and enjoy a fit, happy life. While inspiring their customers to change their lives, Reebok strives to eliminate their carbon footprint. They protect the environment by using 100% sustainable cotton and other environmentally friendly materials. Most of their materials are recycled, like polyester. Their polyester cuts back on greenhouse gas emissions as well as chemical and water use. Reebok also strives to be green by working with the Furniture Trust, a local nonprofit organization. So far, they have recycled 175 tons of furniture, most of the funds going to the Boston Public Schools. Reebok works to help the environment, their customers, and the people around them. Reebok encourages their customers to reach their physical and mental potential and gives them the opportunity to do so with their apparel. Reebok expresses that they envision a future where humans return to their roots, a future where they recognize that each of us is a living, breathing, walking, talking, running, climbing, jumping, laughing, and caring miracle. A miracle that happens only once.